two methods of accessing remote interpretation using WeSpeak: telephone interpretation and virtual video interpretation. This video will walk healthcare service providers through the process of accessing virtual video interpretation for their patients. When you signed up for WeSpeak, you were provided 3 unique codes: a 6-digit client ID number, a 4-digit secured access code, and an authentication code. You can find these numbers in the top right corner of your tip sheet. Make sure to have these ready before placing the call. To access your interpreter, start by reducing any background noise in the room and ensure your device is placed in an optimal position so all participants can hear and be heard well. On-demand virtual interpretation is facilitated through the use of the easy-to-use Language Line Insight app and is accessible on a variety of mobile devices including cell phones, tablets, and computers. You can also pre-schedule interpreters to use a guest link to join an OTN, Zoom, MS Teams, or other video conferencing event with guest link capability. This can be scheduled in the Access Alliance StaffPoint pre-scheduled interpretation portal. After either downloading the app from an app store or by visiting insight.languageline.com on a browser, you will need to start by authenticating your device. To ensure you only have to authenticate it the first time you use the device, go to Help and Settings to select Remember Authentication before inputting your credentials. To authenticate your device, you'll need to type in your authentication code and assign the device a name, which should be your numeric secured access code, followed by whatever naming convention your organization has decided to keep track of devices being used. In this case, we'll use Downtown Campus Tablet 1. Then click Activate Device. You will be prompted to give the app access to your microphone and camera. Click OK to continue. To test the app, go to Help and Settings and select Place a Test Call. In this menu, you can also read frequently asked questions. See video interpreter availability, your call history, network diagnostics, and contact for tech support. Click back to go to the home page. Once you're on the main page, you'll see 2 tabs. The Top Languages tab will filter to show you a list of top spoken languages available by both video and audio, as well as American Sign Language. All Languages displays all languages available. You can scroll through the list or use the search field to find the language you're looking for. Then select audio or video. Calls are typically answered within 30 to 60 seconds. Please report any wait times longer than 2 minutes to the Rio network. If an interpreter answers the call, let them know about any gender or dialect preferences right away, and the interpreter will transfer you to an agent or to another interpreter. Once the connection is made, remember to document the interpreter's ID number in case of connection issues. Allow the interpreter to introduce themselves in both languages. Brief the interpreter to provide context about the conversation. Speak directly to the patient, not the interpreter. Speak at an even, normal pace, using short sentences to allow time to take turns speaking, and using plain language or using the same register you would when speaking with a patient in English. Check in with the patient, not the interpreter, and ensure they understand using the teach-back method, asking the patient to repeat back the information. Do not leave the patient alone with the interpreter on the call. If you must leave the room, advise the interpreter and place them on hold until you return. The interpreter's role is to render a message as faithfully as possible from one language into another. With just a few simple steps, WeSpeak helps you bring professional interpretation into every conversation where it's needed, so patients can be heard, understood, and supported in the language they understand best.